Hello everyone. Today we will know about what is electromagnet and how to make an electromagnet. The first question arises, what is an electromagnet? You can say that an electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Electromagnet usually consists of wire wound into a coil. A current through the wire creates a magnetic field which is concentrated in the hole in the center of the coil. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. The wire turns are often wound around a magnetic core made from a ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic material such as iron. The magnetic core concentrates the magnetic flux and makes a more powerful magnet. Now we'll learn how to make an electromagnet. You see, what are the basic requirements to make an electromagnet? First of all, we know that we need a ferromagnetic material such as iron to make electromagnets. Here will show you that how we are making this magnet. First of all, take an iron nail. Here you see we have taken an iron nail here. You see, this is an iron nail and a copper wire. You see, this is a copper wire. We will wound the copper wire in this nail. Right? Besides that, we need a 9-volt battery or more than that. Here we have taken a 9-volt battery and see how we are making an electromagnet with this battery cell, this wire, copper wire and an iron nail. First of all, what to do? Here you see at the end of this copper wire there is a color, right? First of all, you have to burn it in fire, and after that you rub it with knife to rub the color of this copper wire. We made it. And here also, the other end also, you have to rub it with sandpaper. First of all, you burn it with fire. After then, rub it with sandpaper to wipe out the color of this copper wire. And you have to show that it passes electric current through this copper wire. First of all, you take this iron nail and first of all you wound the iron nail, this copper wire around the nail in this way. You see here we are making a electromagnet with this copper wire. First you wound this copper wire in the nail in this way. See here, we are winding the iron nail with this copper wire. But you have to remember that you have to burn the end of the copper wire and then rub with sandpaper to take out the color of the copper wire and make it such way that the electric current can flow from one end to that of the other. You see, we are winding this copper wire narrow nail. See here, and after that these ends should be connected with this cell of 9 volt or more than 9 volt, that is up to 18 volt, right? Now we will connect the one end of the copper wire with this connecting wire and connect with the positive terminal of the battery. You see, we are connecting this one end of the copper wire, and this will be connected with the positive terminal of the cell. Here you see, this is positive terminal, and the other end, you see, this one is connected with the other end, and this will be connected at the negative terminal of the cell. See, this is negative and this one is positive, and we'll see whether it is working like an electromagnet or not. You see, we will connect this with the positive terminal and the other end of the copper wire, and we will so see whether it is acting like an electromagnet or not. You see, there is a difference between the permanent magnet and electromagnet. Permanent magnet is always behave as a magnet, but electromagnets will behave as a manner such that it is behaving as a magnet up to when you are supplying current through this nail. Now you see, we have some magnetic material, and see whether they are attracting this or not. Here you see, there are some LEDs here, there are many LEDs you can see here, and we'll see whether it is attracting or not. There are many LEDs you can see here. You see, many LEDs are there, and the terminals of the LEDs are made up of iron. We know that magnet attract three things, that is, one is iron, nickel and cobalt also. Let's see whether this is acting as an electromagnet or not. Let us see this one, this nail, whether it is acting like an electromagnet or not. Let us see. Here we have what we have done. This is winding of the nail, and copper wire is connected to the negative terminal, and the other end is connected to the positive terminal, and it will behave like a magnet. Let's see whether it is behaving like a magnet or not. Now see where these are acting as a magnet or not. Let us see.
can see that this is acting as an electromagnet, right? Whenever there is a supply of electric current, it is act as an electromagnet. You see, it is attracting the LEDs all together. See this one, right? That means it is behaving as an electromagnet. And if we switch off the battery, then again it turns into an iron again. You see here, it is attracting all the nails and it is behaving as an electromagnet. You can see here, in this way we can make electromagnets very powerful by increasing the turns or by increasing the voltage of the cell. We can increasing the magnetic power of this cell of this iron nail. In this way we can make electromagnets. You see, it is behaving like an electromagnet, and the difference between the electromagnet and permanent magnet is that it is working only when there is a supply of electric current in the nail. Up to that it is working. Now we will give you some applications of electromagnet. What are the main applications of electromagnet? We will show you. Here you see, these are attracting these LEDs. See this one? In this way it can attract all the LEDs. You see here, it is attracting, right? In this way you can see. Now if we cut off the current, you see there is no electromagnet in this iron nail. Here we are disconnecting the battery and see there is almost no magnetic field, or now it is not a magnet. Now you see here, it lost its magnetic power. You see, now it is not attracting. See this one? This is the main property of magnetic field or electromagnet, that it is a temporary magnet. That means whenever we pass electric current through this nail, it will be a magnet, and whenever we stop the passing of electric current, it will be changed into an iron. Now what are the main uses of electromagnet that I will tell you. We know that electromagnets are widely used as components of other electrical devices such as motors, generators, electromechanical solenoids, relays, loudspeakers, hard disks, MRI machines, scientific instruments, and magnetic separation equipment. Electromagnets are also employed in industry for picking up and moving heavy iron objects such as scrap iron and steel from one place to that of other. In this way, we can make an electromagnet with the help of three things. One is iron, copper nail, and one cell, maybe of 9 volt, or can use two 9 volt cell to make a connection of series connection and getting 9 plus 9, that is 18 volt, and we will get more powerful magnets. We can increase the power of this magnet by increasing the turn of this copper wire, and also by increasing the current, and hence increasing the voltage of the battery, or increasing the number of batteries. We can increase the power of this electromagnet. In this way, electromagnet works. Dear friends, if you want to make electromagnet like this, you can make electromagnet with iron nail, few connecting wires and batteries, and you can show it that it is attracting the objects made up of either iron, nickel or copper. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately whenever we upload our videos. Please share our videos so that it goes to maximum number of people and know how to make such type of electromagnets. Electromagnets are also used in calling bells. Whenever we press the switch, the calling bell starts ringing. Whenever we switch off, it goes off, because in electric bell also there is a magnet, that is an electromagnet. Whenever electric current passes, it changes into a magnet and attracts the iron, and it hits the bell. In this way, electromagnet works. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you again for watching this video. Please press the notification bell so that whenever we upload our videos, it will reach to you. Thank you again.